Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the winning secret, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
You want to know the real difference between the people who win at this and the people who get wiped out? It's not what you think. It's not a better indicator. It's not a secret setup. It's not being smarter than the market. So I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, and it's going to sound a little bit too simple to be true. But the fact is, the winners, they lose super small and they win big. And that's it. That's the entire story. And they've built it that way. The most they can lose on any single trade is a tiny defined number, defined risk. And they know it before they ever click the button. I say they, I'm talking it like it's in the third person. I know it. Everybody in our group knows it. They know exactly what to do. It's small, it's capped, and quite frankly, it's a little bit boring. And every once in a while, one of those little trades, it just runs. And it pays for all the small losses and then some. And that's what we're really looking for. Lose a bunch of small trades, win a few times. You win big. So a bunch of small losses, a bunch of big wins. And quite frankly, the math does the rest. So why isn't everybody doing this? Why isn't everybody rich? I guess the word is most people love the chase, or they're stuck to something where the math just doesn't work. They're going after the win rate, for instance. That is like their number one goal. Almost all traders universally, you see it on the YouTubes, the internet, all the strategies. They talk about how big their win rate is. Unfortunately, the trade's not there, so they force one. The market goes and moves without them, so they grab it. They take a loss, and so then they double down to win it back. They're chasing. Chase. And chasing is the one thing, it's the only thing that turns that nice little small loss into a loss that blows up your whole account. Chasing is how lose small becomes lose big, because that's what win rate is all about. When you go for a high win rate, you're going after small capped wins and putting up huge risk in order to get that high win rate. And it's inevitable that big loss is going to come. And you felt it before. I know you have. You have a bunch of small winners, and then it wipes out weeks, maybe months. And then, of course, you chase. Now, here's where it gets good. Because the winners, yeah, they're chasing too, but after something completely different. And that's the part nobody tells you. The winner is as relentless as you are. Not just chasing the same thing. That's the thing. See, you're chasing win rate, as I said. You want to be right. You have this visceral urge, visceral feeling to be right. You want that 90%, that little thing, that little hit of being smart, that dopamine drip. That's what you crave. And being right is the most expensive addiction in the entire business. And the brokers are counting on you wanting to be right, because that means you get to push the button more often. Because the day you're wrong, and you will be wrong, it hands it back with months of profits in just one afternoon. The winner doesn't care about being right. He's chasing something completely different. He's chasing efficiency. The most payoff for the least amount of risk. Just think about that. The most payoff for the least risk. The most convexity for every single dollar he puts up. What does that mean? It means not only are we looking for the least amount of risk, but we go that extra bit of the way looking for convexity, that extra strike out that gives us 30-40% cheaper trade with the same essential payoff. The cheapest possible way to own the move. That's what we're relentless at. That's what we chase. He'll shove his strikes further out and pay $1 instead of $3 for the exact same payoff. And he won't blink, because he's not trying to win the trade. He's trying to win the math. That's the whole flip right there. Stop chasing the market. Stop chasing being right. Start chasing efficiency. See, the thing is, you don't go get the market. You let it come to you. And you make damn sure that when it does, you own it for pennies. Lose small, win big. Never chase the market, chase the edge.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.